So, black EP3 with a Teguer airbox, a Jap Speed 4-to-1 manifold and a Magnex exhaust. So we've done our initial power run and we have seen 205 brake horsepower. So it's Richard's mandate to map this now on a K100 board using the Hondata and see what we can achieve. Okay, so map complete, and as I actually missed some of those flames, it's a good job I wasn't stood there because that would have lit me up, I tell you. They were ginormous bombs. But as I've just explained to the customer, you got to make that happen. That's not just, it doesn't just happen. You got to make that happen. I mean, obviously we've mapped it so that it will, but obviously you got to tap the throttle on the way down to make those sorts of bombs. But we've made some gains. Now the car was mapped previously, so as you can see, we've red lines as it come in, blue line is as it leaves, and we finished today on 215 brake horsepower, which is 188 at the wheels, and we've gained about 14 brake horsepower overall. Nice car. Owner's had it 17 years, and what a beauty she is. Very clean for its age. Samuel's enjoyed it, haven't you, Sam?
Yes, it's very good.
And Richard, thanks for coming.
Thank you. Thanks for letting me attend.
You're welcome, man. I think if you're free on Monday, we'll have you back in to further your trial.
Oh, will they? Just another week, maybe?
Yeah, another week in this what we call a preliminary period.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, to see whether we're going to take you on or not.
Is that 3 months or 6 months?
It depends.
Well, it depends, because obviously the government's paying 2/3 of your wages at the moment.
No, I'm going to work on trucks, mate.
It's going to be like that, is it? Do you want 50 hours work, mate? Because that's what you'll get.
Yeah, I'll be charging diary.
Right, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? Hey Sam, what's your catchphrase going to be?
Piss off.
Okay, well there you go.